Still on physics WAEC 2025. This is question number 15. Let's do it. Uh, the wavelength of a sound note traveling with a speed of 360 meter per second is 600 meters. Determine the period of the notes. So this one is talking about the how sound wave travels. So this is sound waves. So it's still under waves. Okay. And uh, what we need just to bring out the parameters that are given there. So what are those parameters that are given there? So we have the speed, which is 360 meter per second, and then they say it travels that's distance, uh, 600 meters. Determine the period of the notes. Okay, just like maybe you strike a string of a guitar, or you sound a keyboard. So so I want to determine this is sound notes as it travels. So and we asked to determine the period of the notes, the period it takes, the time, I mean the period it takes. So now from here, recall that v as that is velocity, that's I mean wave speed is equal to uh, frequency times wavelength. Okay, frequency times wavelength. This is the relation that connects the method together. So this frequency, you can see that frequency is not given here, but there is a relationship between frequency and the period, and that is what they are. I mean, both of them are reciprocal to each other. Okay, F is what? F is 1 over period. So that's it. So from here we can now say F is what? Wavelength over T. Okay, so from here you can now say T is equal to wavelength over V. So we can now use what you want to use to determine the period of the note. So that will be the uh, the lambda is is the wavelength, not distance. Okay, so the wavelength is what 600, okay, over the wave speed, which is 360. So let's do it. So this is 6 here 10, 6 here 6. Okay, 2 here 3, 2 here 5. Okay, 3 here 1, 3 in 5, that is 1. Remainder 2 uh in uh in 2, that is point. In 20, that is 6. Remember 2 in 6. In 26, it goes like that. This is reoccurring decimal. Okay. Now, so the answer now will now be 1 point, depending on the decimal. The answer is, so I think it's in 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So this one will change to 7. So the answer, I mean the period, I mean the answer is 1.667. That is the period of the notes it takes to travel. So the answer here is C. Okay, all right. I think from here, you have learned something, one of the things today. Feel free to comment on this, and share and like and follow this channel for more. Thank you.